All right, so today we are going to cut some material. All set up here, got the Edge Tech approved level. So here we go. Here we go, this should work nicely. All right, here we go. There we go. Look at that. Nice. So that's all I got for this episode. Thanks for tuning in and watching me make this tool holder build. Appreciate all the subscribers and all the view counts I've been getting. It's been really motivating me to get this done and get on other projects. That's all I got for this episode. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap that notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Alright. Later.